Welcome to another video by the SunGod. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different lower ab exercises you could do at home to help build your abs, chisel your V-line, and strengthen your core. We're going to be starting off with lying down leg raises. In this exercise, you're going to want to either place your hands at the side of your body or behind your head. That way you're not using any other body part besides your abs. I'm going to place my hands on the side of my body. You're going to start off by kicking your feet off the ground. And in this exercise, your feet are never going to touch the floor. They'll always be elevated. With your legs extended, you're going to want to bring them up to a 90-degree angle and slowly back down. We're going to go for 15 reps. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost done, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Cool. Moving on to the next exercise. The second exercise on our list is going to be reverse crunches. Unlike traditional crunches, which are top to bottom, these are going to be bottom to top. You're going to start off by either placing your hands at the side of your body, that way you're not using any other body part but your abs, or behind your head. I'm going to place them behind my head. You're going to want to lift your feet up to a 45-degree angle, and you're going to want to do this. Basically, bring your knees all the way to your torso. And we're going to go for 15 reps. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This exercise is also great to develop your lower abs, chisel your V-line, work out your obliques, and strengthen your core. The last exercise on this list is going to be bicycle kicks. You're going to start off by placing your hands behind your head and bringing your legs up to a 45-degree angle. What you're going to want to do is with your right elbow, you're going to want to touch your left knee. And while you're touching your left knee, your right leg is going to be extended, vice versa. You're going to bring it back in, extend the left leg, and with your left elbow, you're going to want to touch your right knee. We're going to be doing this for 15 reps each, so in total 30. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Incorporate these 3 lower ab exercises to your next ab workout routine. I guarantee you it'll help you sculpt your lower abs, chisel your V-line, and strengthen your core. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.